Hey guys, welcome back to UChat tutorial. In this video, I'm showing you a new tool called Shortcuts for improving the efficiency when you're replying your users in live chat. So go to the tools from your left sidebar and then Shortcuts is over here. To create a new shortcut, press this new shortcut blue button and give a shortcut name. And then the value, you can insert not only fixed content but also dynamic content. So hi, first name, how may I help you today? Also add some emoji. Okay, click save. And then when you are in live chat replying to your user, you can quickly get the content by using slash and the shortcut name, like this one, greeting. Okay, and then hit enter to send. User asking a question and I need to okay, let me get a sorry. So by hitting the first enter, you will get this tags inserted here, and then check about it and then hit another enter to send. Okay, we are apology and I need to pass it to my team, so please wait. And then okay, I've already submitted the question, and then someone will talk to you later. Anything else I can help you with? Or okay, so the client said thank you, and you will send something like this. Your feedback is important to us. Or see you later. Have a good day. Alright, that's how you use shortcuts. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.